Let's start off this class with watching some daily news so we can catch up with the world events.
Sure.
Big news, people. Whoa! There's a man known as Dr. Doom who's trying to take over the world, calling all superheroes to come and help.
I will take over the world. I have the mayor under my control, and now you will be my follower too.
Yes, my lord, my lord, my lord.
Looks like the world needs some heroes. Do you three boys want to be the heroes who save the day?
Yes.
There's some elderly ancients in the mountains. Why don't you guys go find them and learn the secret to jujutsu?
Okay. We have to find the elder! Ancients, what do we need to defeat Dr. Doom? You must train very hard. You must learn scissor sweep technique. But wait, where did it go? I don't know. I eat all my snack at lunch. Thank you.
You think you can defeat me with jujutsu? Think again. Go get him.
My lord. Jonathan, the math teacher.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids and Dom.
What?
You.